Welcome back to another interesting tutorial. In this video, I will show you on how to make Google Form on your phone. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Chrome browser. After you open up your Chrome browser, next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and then click on search Google or type right here. So go ahead and type in Google Form. Then hit enter. So here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and make sure next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on the first result right here. So just like so, if you are signing in for the first time, you will be asked to enter your login details such as your Google username and password. Then it's going to take you right here after you have successfully logged in. Now let's see how we can create Google Form right here. Right here, enter the title of the form. So go ahead and cancel this. So we can call this late comma so we can just say company name. Anything can be your form title. So we can give a simple edit, make this bold. Then we can scroll down right here and enter the description, how to make payments, just like so. Now, next thing we want to do here is to start with our question right here. Next thing we want to do is to start with untitled question right here. So go ahead and click on that. So enter your question. So the first question can be how. So we have to clear our title question. The first question can be how to dance. Okay, so how to dance, I'm going to put question mark right here. So once we type, we have optional for answer. For that, we want to make sure we click on here. Then from these options here, we can choose any options that are related to our answer. So they have about multiple options right here, but in this tutorial, I'm going to use short answer right here. So go ahead and click on short answer. So I need short answer and I want to make this a require. Go ahead and click on here to turn this on. Then we are done with that. Next thing we want to do here now is that we can continue to create an additional question. For that, what we want to do is to go ahead and click on these three dots right here. Then we go ahead and click on duplicate items. So we have another questions right here. So we can say, are you, okay, we can say, how old are you? Right here. Okay. Now this question here, we can make this bold now. Highlight everything, hit on bold. Then we can come to the answer right here. We click on here. Then the answer options can be paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, dropbox, etc. So in this regard, I'm going to use date right here. So select date. So once you select date, it means we want them to provide date, months, and year. And I'm going to make it a require or so. Now we have about two different questions right here. Just like what you see right here. So the first question is how to dance. The second question here is how old are you? Now we can go ahead and click on here again to make another duplicate. Then we click on duplicate items. So now we have about two questions already. How old are you and how to dance? So the next question here can be what is your gender? Like so. So I'm going to put a question mark. So here we have options. We have to click on options right here now. So gender can be different options. We can say paragraph, short answer. Everything depends on the kind of question we ask. So here it's going to be short answer. So we want them to write us their name, their gender, all about right here, and I'm going to make it a require as the case may be. You can go on and use this method to create as many as possible form. So once you are done with your form, how can you get the link to the form? Go ahead and click on this icon right here. Then this form is unpublished. This form is unpublished. Do you want to copy the unpublished link? Go ahead and click on copy. But mind you, you have to make sure you publish the form before you can go ahead and click on copy. Once you copy the link, you can send the link to anybody that you want them to have access to the form right here. It's that simple. So basically, this is how to make Google Form on your phone. For more tutorial tips and tricks like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.